Stars, headed by its President and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Renato Pio Campo, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Belen G. Gregorio, our College Registrar, Mr. Dominador Aileen Jr., School Administrators, Faculty Personnel, friends, classmates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of us. It is indeed a joyful day for everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Mary Kim Franz Di Villena. First, I want to thank my teachers, Teacher Claire and Teacher Joanne. You have taught us so many things. We learned how to read, write, and count. You also taught us how to be kind and to share with our friends. Thank you for making learning so much fun. Next, I want to thank our parents, Mama and Papa. Thank you for helping me with my homework and reading me stories every night. To my grandparents and tita, thank you for always encouraging me and telling me I can do anything. I love you very much. I also want to thank my friends. We have played together, learned together, and laughed together. I will miss our time in kindergarten, but I am excited about going first grade with you. Lastly, I want to thank everyone else who has helped us this year, to our dear principal, Ma'am Zen, and everyone who made our school a great place to learn and play. Today is a special day because we have finished kindergarten and we are ready for first grade. I am proud of all of us. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, Micawayan College.
Thank you so much, Mary Kim, for your